everybody. As some of you may know, should know, I'm in the process of setting up a land and property business. Okay, so I'm in the process of trying to market myself and gain new business. The reason I'm telling you this is because I've got a radio advertisement, okay, which has been completed, and I'm very happy with the radio ad. All right, what I want to do is I want to let you know who it was that did this radio advert for me. Okay, now Vision Radio is a new online radio station. Okay, and they put up a lot of pre-recorded shows on YouTube as well as debates. Okay, they are a community station and they talk and address a wide range of issues concerning the next generation by using podcasts, pre-recorded shows, live shows to engage with the community. The aim is to support parents and children, okay? And what they're also trying to do is just make a positive change to the lives of these parents and these children. Okay, it was Vision Radio that recorded my radio advert for me for a very reasonable price. So guys, if there's anyone out there that if you're thinking of starting up a business venture and you need some form of radio advertising, don't be afraid to contact Vision Radio. Their YouTube channel is Vision Radio 345. You can also email them at visionradio345@gmail.com, as well as send a text message to 07585 364 475. Sorry guys, I can't remember all of this, hence why I'm looking at my phone. Okay, but I must say the radio advertisement was very professional and I'm happy with it. Okay, so yeah, Vision Radio 345 for all your pre-recorded shows. They also have they also do music shows, and for your podcasts and your debates on young people and what's going on currently in the world today.
Are you a Jamaican land or property owner living in the UK? Do you want to complete a property or perhaps start your dream house build? JA Land and Property Services could be for you. A reliable, trustworthy and friendly service for all your land and property maintenance needs. For more information, visit www.jalandandpropertyservices.com or email inquiry@jalandandpropertyservices.com or WhatsApp Sashelle Gale on +1 876 867 6567. That's +1 876 867 6567.